Welcome sa ziplion.com. I-continue natin yung ating series on quadratic formula, no? Ang series pala na to ng videos natin ay quadratic equation. And napag-aralan natin that the quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. And if we want to find the value of x, pwede natin gamitin yung quadratic formula, no? Isa sa mga strategies is using the quadratic formula kung ang ating quadratic equation ay hindi pwedeng i-factor, no? Hindi siya factorable. So, dito, ang gagawin natin is i-continue natin yung example. Yung previous video, by the way, natin ay yun yung example 1 kung paano gamitin yung quadratic formula. In this video, we will have another example. So, for example 2, we have find the value of x in 2x squared minus 6x is equal to 15. So sabi natin, para natin magamit yung quadratic formula, alam natin yung value ng a, b, and c. At para natin magamit yon, or para natin malaman, we have to transform the equation to this, to the general form. No? So here, meron tayong constant sa kanan, so dapat 0 yung kanan natin sa kanang side ng equation. So we have to subtract 15 from both sides. We have 2x squared minus 6x minus 15 is equal to 0. So here, makukuha na natin yung value ng a, b, and c. We have a equals 2, b equals negative 6, and c equals negative 15. No? So, yun na yung ABC natin. Pag alam na natin yung ABC, pwede natin gamitin to, no? Yung formula na to. You can substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula. So we have x equals negative b. So negative of this one, but b is negative 6. So that's negative of negative 6 plus minus square root of, what is b squared? So negative 6 squared minus 4ac. 4a is 2 and c is negative 15. All over 2a. So all over 2 times 2. Ang a natin ay 2. So simplifying, we have negative of negative 6 is 6. We have 6 plus minus squared of negative 6 squared is 36. And then minus tsaka negative magiging plus. 4 times 2 is 8. Times 15 is 120. No? So, unahin natin to. Magiging 60 siya. Times 2 is 120. No? And then all over 4, no? So, simplifying again, we have 6 plus minus squared of 156 all over 4. No? And 156 can be factored. No? Pwede natin i-factor siya pwede natin siya i-factor into 6 plus minus, this is I think 4 times 39, no? 4 times 39 all over 4. And pag sinabi mong square root of 4 times 39, you can also write it as square root of 4 times square root of 39, diba? Square root of AB is the same as square root of A times square root of B. And we know that square root of 4 is 2, no? So, 2 times square root of 39. So, ito wala na tayong masisimplify dito. So, ibig sabihin yung square root of 4 times 39 dito, pwede natin siyang i-replace nito, no? So, this becomes x equals 6 plus minus 2 square root of 39 all over 4, no? And katulad din sa previous video, pwede nating i-simplify pa rin ito kasi may common factor sila na 2. So, pwede nating ilabas yung 2 dito, magiging 2 times 3 plus square root of 39. So, nagigets nyo yung pag binalik ko to, pag binultiply ko ito sa loob, mangyayari is magiging babalik siya dito. No? So, 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times square root of 39 is 2 square root of 39. So, nag-factor out lang ako ng 2. And then, same pa rin yung nasa ibaba. And I did that because I can cancel this out. No? So, divided by 2 becomes 1, divided by 2 becomes 2. So, this becomes square root of 3, or sorry, this becomes, nakalimutan ko yung minus dito. This becomes 3 plus minus square root of 39 all over 2. Okay? So, this is our root. Dalawa, meron tayong, pwede natin pag-iwalayin yan, ano? We can say that x is equal to 3 plus square root of 39 over 2 whole over 2, or x equals 3 minus square root of 39 all over 2. So, dalawa yung roots natin, no? I hope using this example and the example before, ay alam niyo na paano gamitin yung quadratic formula. So, ang pinaka-idea dito is to identify the values of A, B, and C, and then just substitute, no, sa formula. Just be careful with the computation kasi minsan madali kayo magkamali dahil dun sa medyo complicated yung formula. But aside from that, I think you'll be okay if you calculate accurately, no? Okay, so maraming salamat. Gusto ko yung invite sa sip9.com. And nandito yung ating mga videos, no? And of course, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button dun sa below the video. Okay? Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.